I think this translator is very useful. It's very easy to use. So like actually I was being silly. I never read the instruction, and I was wondering where should I go to get the setting and get my Wi-Fi setting in and everything. But it actually is touch screen. So when I finally go through the manual and I and I see the instruction booklet that is touch screen. So like it's pretty simple. The moment you turn it on, you go to setting and put your Wi-Fi setting and everything in there. And once your Wi-Fi is hooked up, the app they have a color. Can you see it? English, like I'm trying to translate it to Spanish, and the English one is like the one on the top portion is supposed to be your native language, and the bottom portion is the language that you want it to be translated to. And then same thing like at the bottom. So let's say like if I'm speaking with somebody who speaks Spanish that I don't know, so I'll use this button. I hit on this button and speaking English, and then like for example, how are you?
¿Cómo estás?
So like you see it, there's speaker at the bottom, and it's gonna say that. And then so let's go back. And so let's say the person who replying to me, and how I supposed to understand him or her. So at that moment, I'll be holding the button at the bottom. Gracias.
Thank you.
See that? So it's quite simple, and I see there's a lot of language at the bottom, like on the setting. I test couple out because I test couple out with my other customer, and I see that most of the time they are accurate. Like they said, it's 95%. It really depends on your accent and things like that. And on the side, this is the lock button or the power button. So either to lock it, to unlock it, or to turn it off, turn it on using this button. It's pretty simple, I think. Like it's pretty easy. My 5-year-old can use it without any problem. But one thing you gotta be aware of: this charging. This is the regular Android cable, and for like the USB data cable, and this is what it came with the charger. It's much longer, which means you have to take good care of this cable, because once if you broke this one, I would think it's pretty difficult to find the same one like that. I have no clue, but it's very easy to use and pretty accurate. I'm pretty satisfied with that.